Hi students, let us continue with our chapter Trigonometrical Ratios of Standard Angles. We had done few questions from exercise 23C in our last class. So let us continue with exercise 23C. Let me continue with question number 9. From the given figure. So a figure is given to us. Let me draw the figure. It's a triangle A, B, C. Y centimeter, X degree, 20 and 10. So first thing you need to find out is cos X. So what is cos X from the figure? You have X here, right? Cos X means what is the formula? It is base by hypotenuse. For this figure, what's the base for X? It is BC by AC. So that is equal to BC is 10. 10 by 20 equals to 1 by 2. So now we need to find the value of X. So tell me, if cos X equals to 1 by 2, I can write this as cos X equals to cos of what is 1 by 2? Cos of 60. So you get X is equal to 60 degree. So clearly you got the value of X. Now coming to the third question. What is given to us? Tan X degree minus 1 by sin square X. 1 by tan square X degree minus 1 by sin square X degree. Okay. So before that, you have one more sub question in that. What is that? Use tan X degree to find the value of Y. Okay. So in order to find the value of Y, use tan X degree. You know the value of X, right? X is given as. So let us do this. Tan square X is what we already found. Tan square X minus 1 by sin square 60. What is tan 60? 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1 by root 3 by 2 the whole square. It's equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 4. 4 goes up. What do you get? 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3. That is equal to minus 3 by 3 equals to minus 1. So you get the value of that as minus 1. Now use tan X to find the value of Y. How do we use tan X to find the value of Y? From the figure, tan X degree equals to, what is tan here? Tan X is perpendicular by base, correct? So you get perpendicular is what? AB. AB by BC will give you tan X. So what is our AB? AB is not known to you. Y. BC is 10. What is tan X? X is 60, right? So tan 60 equals to Y by 10. It is root 3 is equal to Y by 10. So what do you get? Y is equal to 10 root 3. So using the tan X value, you have got the value of Y. Correct? Now let us go to the next main. Okay. Similar to this question only is our 10th question. You can do it yourself. Coming to the 11th question. Find the magnitude of angle A if first sub question is given as. Let me do two questions from this so it will be more clear to you. 2 times sin A cos A minus cos A minus 2 times sin A plus 1 equals to 0. So let me group. Okay. If I take from this 2, I can take out cos. Cos A into, what is left out here? 2 sin A minus 1 minus. Here I'll take out 1. Nothing is common, right? Here. Can you find anything common here? Nothing. So only 1 is common. So I'll take it as 1 into 2 sin A. Again it becomes minus because since we put a bracket here, it's 1. equal to 0. That's equal to, what is common here now? 2 sin A is common both places. 2 sin A minus 1 into cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Now we got it as similar to the previous mains what we have done. Okay, now I can take this. 2 sin A minus 1 equal to 0 gives you that 2 sin A equals to 1. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A is equal to sin 30. A is equal to 30 degree. Cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Cos A equal to 1. For which value of cos it's 1? Cos A is equal to cos 0. A is equal to 0 degree. Okay, question. What's the second sub question given? Tan A minus 2 times cos A tan A plus 2 cos A minus 1. Here we think we need a shuffling, right? Because here we have cos A as the second term, here is the first term. So let me write this as tan A minus 2 cos A tan A minus of minus 1 I'm shifting, I'm just interchanging the place, minus 1 plus 2 cos A. Now let me see. What is common in the first two? I have tan A common. What is left out here? 1 minus 2 cos A minus again 1 into 1 minus 2 cos A. So 1 minus 2 cos A is common here into tan A minus 1 equal to 0. Don't forget that step. Okay. So I can write this as 1 minus 2 cos A equal to 0. 1 is equal to 2 cos A. So I can write this as cos A is equal to 1 by 2. So which value of cos A is 1 by 2? Cos A is equal to cos of 60. So I get A is equal to 60 degree. Similar way, tan A equal minus 1 equal to 0. Tan A equal to 1. So which value? Tan A equal to tan 45. So A is equal to 45 degree. So A is equal to 45 degree or 60 degree. Okay. So this is how you solve the 11th main. Okay. Do the rest of the 2 questions as homework. Now coming to the 12th main. So it's given in 12th main. Solve for x. Let me do a few questions. First one. 2 cos 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Similar way. 2 cos 3x equal to 1. Again. Cos 3x equal to 1 by 2. So again, for which value of cos we have 1 by 2? 60. So cos 3x is equal to cos 60. So I can take it as 3x is equal to 60 degree. X equal to 60 by 3. That is equal to 20 degree. Okay. So now let me do random questions from this main. Let me do the third question. Okay. Third sub question. Sine of x plus 10 degree equals to 1 by 2. This can be written as sine of x plus 10 degree equals to sine 30. X plus 10 degree equals to 30 degree. X equals to 30 minus 10, 20 degree. Now let me do the fifth question. 2 times cos 3x minus 15 equals to 1. So I can take it as cos 3x minus 15 equals to 1 by 2. Cos 3x minus 15 equals to cos of 60. 3x minus 15 degree equal to 60. 3x is equal to 60 plus 15 equals to 75 degree. X equals to 75 by 3 equals to 25 degree. So here you get the value of x as 25 degree. Now let me do a different kind of question. Coming to the 9th question. It's given as sin square x plus sin square 13 equals to 1. So sin square x, we don't know the value of x, but sin 30 you know. What is that? 1 by 2 square equals to 1. So sin square x plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. Sin square x equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4. Sin square x equals to 3 by 4. Sin x equals to root of 3 by 2. Root of 4 is 2. So you get root 3 by 2. So this is how you do similar questions. Let me do the 12th question also from this main. Sin square 60 plus cos square 3x minus 9 equals to 1. Sin square 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos square 3x minus 9 equals to 1. 3 by 4 plus cos square 3x minus 9 equals to 1. Cos square 3x minus 9 equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. Cos square 3x minus 9 equals to 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 4. So cos 3x minus 9 equals to root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So cos of 3x minus 9 equals to cos of 60. 3x minus 9 equals to 60. 3x is equal to 60 plus 9, 69, implies x is equal to 69 by 3, that is equal to 23 degree. Hope it's clear to you all. So go through this video and complete your exercise 23C in your classwork. Thank you.